Google spent 25 years indexing web pages, but a single shift in AI code just rendered millions of traditional websites invisible. Instead of handing you 10 blue links to dig through, modern search engines read the web for you and synthesize one direct answer. Behind the scenes, vector databases convert every web page into mathematical coordinates, grouping similar ideas together in a multi-dimensional space. This process, called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, acts like an instant open-book exam for AI, pulling real-time web facts before writing its response. While this gives users immediate answers, it fundamentally changes how digital creators get discovered and how free information survives online. Thank you for watching. If you would like to watch more of these short videos, please subscribe and comment below what you think about demystifying how Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, and AI search engines synthesize answers.